How to animate text and objects in Reelshot. Bring your videos to life by animating text and objects in Reelshot. Adding motion makes your titles pop, highlights important information, and keeps your viewers engaged. This guide shows you how to add dynamic animations. Since these features are only available in the Pro version, please follow the rest of the steps if you have Pro version. First, in your Reelshot project, tap Add the text layer, image or sticker that you wish to animate into your timeline. Position it where you want the animation to begin. Select the text or object layer on the timeline. Now, look for an animation icon in the editing toolbar. This might be a motion path icon, a keyframe symbol, or dedicated in and out animation. Tap on it. You'll see a library of various animation projects, often categorized as in for appearance and out for disappearance, and out for disappearance animations. Tap on different animation styles to preview how your text or object will move. Adjust the duration of the animation if possible. Tap Done or Apply. Your elements will now dynamically enter and exit the screen. You've successfully animated text and objects in Reelshot. Add professional motion graphics to your videos. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot dynamic editing tips.